Hey dear Goenkans, today I am going to discuss subtraction of integers. As we already know, addition and subtraction are opposites. So the rules of subtraction become like this. First, to subtract positive integers, we move left on a number line. Remember, to subtract positive integers, move to the left of the number line, and to subtract negative integers, move towards the right on the number line. Correct? So these are the basic rules of subtraction on a number line. Now let us do an example on this. Subtract 3 from 2. So it is 2 minus plus 3. 3 is a positive integer and minus plus is minus. Let us first denote it on the number line. First, we will locate 2 on the number line, which is here. Now we have to subtract a positive integer, so we will move towards the left on the number line. 3 units towards the left. 1, 2 and 3. We reach here, which is minus 1, right? So we reached minus 1. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1. Now remember, for subtracting two positive integers, we find the difference in their values and prefix the sign of the integer with greater value to the difference. Now these two are positive integers, right? So what do? We subtract them but put the sign of the bigger integer. Here it is 3, right? 3 is a bigger integer, but now its sign is minus, so the answer will be minus as well. So it is minus 1. Now let's do one more example. Subtract 1 from minus 3. First let us do it on the number line. First locate minus 3 on the number line, right? Then we are subtracting a positive integer, so we will move towards the left on the number line. Only 1 unit towards the left and we reach minus 4. So the answer is minus 4. Now let us see the rule for this. Remember, for subtracting one positive integer and one negative integer, we find the sum of their values and prefix the sign of the integer with minus. So when we are subtracting one positive integer and one negative integer, what do? We find the sum and the sign is minus. Let us do one more example. Subtract minus 3 from 2. First, let us represent it on the number line. First, we locate 2 on the number line, and then as we are subtracting a negative integer, we move 3 digits towards the right. So we have to go to the right on the number line. 1, 2 and 3, we reach 5. So the answer is 5. Now 2 minus of minus 3, right? Remember, minus minus is always plus. So it is 2 plus 3, which is equal to 5. Also, it appears that adding the additive inverse of minus 3 to 2 is the same as subtracting minus 3 from 2, right? We are adding the additive inverse of minus 3. What is the additive inverse of minus 3? Yes, it is plus 3. So these are the same. Hence, to subtract an integer from another integer, it is enough to add the additive inverse of the integer that is being subtracted to the other integer. This is another way of doing it. So that was all for subtraction of integers. Thank you so much.